Hi guys, today I'm trying something new for my skincare routine. That is Joy's Mineral Clay Pore Clarifying and Pollution Defense Green Clay Mask. Now, the first question that you may ask is, what does a mineral clay mask even do? Basically, it acts like a magnet for dirt, oil, and pollution that gets stuck deep in your pores. Daily face wash only cleans the surface, but clay goes a bit deeper. I picked this one because I have been feeling my skin looks tired lately, and Joy's Green Clay claims to help with both pollution defense and pore clearing. The packaging says it has minerals that detoxes the skin without being too harsh. Now let's talk about the ingredients first. The first two active ingredients here are kaolin and bentonite clay. These are natural mineral clays that are known for absorbing excess oil and pulling out dirt from pores. There's also montmorillonite and elite clay, which are softer clays that helps detox the skin without making it too dry. Now for the pollution defense part, it has green tea extracts and lemongrass oil. Green tea is full of antioxidants, so it helps protect the skin from pollution and free radicals. Lemongrass oil gives it that fresh earthy smell and also has antibacterial properties. There's also bisabolol in here, which is known to calm and soothe irritated skin. What actually makes this mask different is that it's not at all drying clay. It has glycerin and hyaluronic acid to pull moisture into the skin so it doesn't feel tight after. Jojoba seed oil and vitamin E or tocopherol acetate are also added to keep the skin barrier soft and nourished. And there's niacinamide, which helps with skin texture and brightness over time. The texture is smooth and creamy, not gritty at all. It spreads easily and has a light earthy smell from the lemongrass. No strong perfume, which I appreciate. The color is that classic green clay color, like the one that looks like it should be good for your skin. A mineral clay face mask is basically a deep cleansing treatment for your skin. Think of it like a reset button for your pores. Clay has a negative charge and oil plus dirt plus impurities have a positive charge. So when you apply it, the clay acts like a magnet and draws out sebum, pollution particles and buildup from inside your pores. That is why it is called detoxing. When pores get clogged with oil and dead skin, you get blackheads and breakouts. The clay absorbs that gunk and tightens the pores slightly as it dries, making them look smaller. If your T-zone gets greasy through the day, clay absorbs the extra oil without stripping all moisture. Your skin feels cleaner and less shiny after. Okay, now let's talk about the application. The texture is smooth and creamy, almost like a mousse. It's not runny and it's not super thick either, so it's spread really easily without dragging on the skin. I'm using clean fingers to apply it, but you can also use a brush if you prefer a more even layer. I'm taking a small amount and spreading it in upward motions, starting from my cheeks and moving towards my chin area and then finally to the forehead. I'm being careful to avoid the eye area and lips because the skin there is thinner and more sensitive. As the mask dries and you rinse it off, it takes a thin layer of dead skin cells with it. That's why your skin looks smoother and a bit brighter afterwards. Mineral clays like green clay have minerals like zinc and silica that can help reduce redness and calm inflamed skin. There is no artificial fragrance because heavy perfumes can irritate the skin. I am making sure to apply a thin even layer. You don't need a thick heavy coat for it to work. In fact, if you put it on too thick, it takes longer to dry and can feel uncomfortable. Just enough so your skin isn't visible underneath. That much amount is perfect. Now one thing I really noticed while applying is that I didn't feel any sensation right after applying it. Some people like that feeling because it makes them feel like it's working. But if you have sensitive skin, it can be a bit too much. With the Joy mask, it's completely calm and comfortable. It just feels soothing as it settles on the skin. For me, that means it's gentle enough for frequent use and won't leave my skin red or irritated afterwards. I have focused a bit more on my T-zone, which is the forehead, nose and chin, because that's where I tend to get more oil and congestion. If you have dry cheeks, you can apply a light layer there or even skip them. So I would recommend this face mask for oily or combination skin or anyone who's exposed to pollution frequently.